How to set ringtone on Zedge App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set ringtone on Zedge App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the Zedge App. If you do not have it, you can easily get this from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've downloaded the Zedge App, simply open it up. Now this should be the interface of your Zedge App. After Zedge App loads, you will see this interface. Simply head over to the Discovery section on the bottom. And from here you will get the Ringtones section. Tap on that. And now here you will get the categories and different sections of different genre of your ringtones. So simply choose a ringtone that you like. After you find a ringtone that you'd like, you can tap on this play button to hear the ringtone too. After you like it, tap on this download button right here and simply tap on watch ad. Now you can tap on watch app or use the Zedge coin. I'll just use that. And now I've gotten this ringtone. Tap on set on device. After you tap on set on device, you will have set your ringtone on your device, and it's that simple guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.